Welcome to Fun by Design. In this video, we would like to introduce you to the Hyundai Electric Garden Rotavator. A fun product for gardeners to prepare their soil with ease. The Garden Rotavator has a powerful, 1,500-watt all-copper motor, for high power and longevity. The rotavator delivers ample power to the 400 revolutions per minute rotating blades. It is able to easily break up soil ready for planting. The Garden Rotavator also has 6 blades that provide a working width of 450 mm at a depth of 8.7 inches. With handy wheels included, the Garden Rotavator can be moved around the garden with ease. When you're ready to work, you simply pull a single pin, and the wheels will spring upwards and out of the way. This rotavator is also very light, at just 11 kilograms, which makes it much easier to use and maneuver compared to petrol engine rotavators. The controls are also easy to use, with a simple trigger lever to start the rotavator spinning, once the safety button has been activated. The rotavator also has an electronic brake for safely stopping the blades. Storage is also easy, because this amazing rotavator has folding handles to store the tiller away in the smallest of sheds and garages. The Hyundai Electric Rotavator is the ideal machine for every garden and vegetable plot. Quickly and easily rotivate the ground with the 6 blades. The ultra-simple controls ensure you have a fuss-free gardening experience, and the clever folding design means you can store the tiller away in small sheds and garages. If you want to find out more about this great garden rotavator by Hyundai, we have placed a link in the description of this video. To see more fun product videos, subscribe to the Fun by Design channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified when we upload our next fun product. If you liked this Hyundai Electric Rotavator video, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.